Download, install, and log into the mobile terminal. Android. To begin, visit JRFX.com website. Go to Platforms and then click MT4. Download the terminal. It will redirect you to the client portal, My JRFX. You can find a download link and user guide. Once you download the app and installed, we can show you how to get started by Add Your Trading Account. 1. Click Login to the existing account. 2. In the Enter Company Server Name field, type Upway3 and choose your server. 3. Enter your account number as your login. 4. Enter your trading password as your password. 5. Save the password if you wish to keep the password saved on your device. 6. Click Sign In. You can add more than one trading account to your mobile terminal. To do that, in your Android app, go to Menu, Manage Accounts. Then click on Plus, log into your existing account, enter your account authorization data. Once you add additional account, you can easily switch between them. In your Android terminal, go to Menu, Manage Accounts. You'll see all accounts you've added and logged in with. Tap the account you wish to switch between accounts. Thank you for choosing JRFX. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. We will share more with you.